For this patient, the critical part, he was pretty concerned about how it's going to look afterwards, especially he still wants to do some fading hairstyles.
And so like, am I still gonna have like the same sort of like cowlick thing going on up here?
Here?
I was just curious if that was like gonna change. I figured that'll still grow back as it is after we shave it, right?
Yes, but it will be surrounding with very resilient and strong hairs from the back. And another advantage of this patient that the patient still has some pre-existing hair on the top. So the incision part, they will guide me to do the proper angle and direction, and I will mimic those hairs. So when everything grows back, they will look in harmony. I will mimic your natural pattern here. Oh, cool. The same angle and direction. So those hairs are actually going to guide me about the rotation. And when I go to the sides, I have to follow those gradual transition. I'm gonna follow your native pre-existing hairs.
Gotcha. Very cool. So that's the friend that came here.
How long ago?
2024. And that was probably 6 months after he came.
Yeah, pretty good. I'm gonna do it better.
All right, I like that.
I will guide you to your operation room. There is like 3 more nurses with me today.
I think it went really well. He answered a lot of my questions. I feel really good. I feel excited and ready to get going.
Do you have any question, any concern?
No, I think we've discussed everything.
Let's go.
All right.
So we are done with the extraction now. So it didn't require too much graft because it was only the frontal region. So we extracted 3,500 graft, and we are pretty confident that number will be enough to provide a high density region on the frontal part. So we are going to make the local anesthesia for the forehead now. It doesn't require too much time like the back. How is it so far? Yeah? Okay. We apply the local anesthesia of the front. The whole scalp will be numb, and the patient will not feel any pain afterward. It will only take 30 seconds to 1 minute.